Microsoft recently invited me to Redmond to get an early look at Project Solera. Instead of opening apps on your phone or computer, the idea is to make AI assistants available through dedicated devices when and where you need it. The company showed me two prototype AI device concepts. The first is a wearable badge that you can carry with you throughout the day. The second is a desktop companion that sits on your desk. In this video, I'll show you the devices, explain what they do, and share Microsoft's vision for where AI-powered devices could be headed in the future. I'm Kevin, and let's dive in. This is the first concept device that Microsoft showed me. It looks a lot like an employee badge, but instead of simply identifying who you are, it's designed to provide quick access to AI throughout the day. The device includes a touchscreen, a camera, microphones, speaker, and a fingerprint reader. The idea is pretty simple. Instead of pulling out your phone or sitting down at a computer, you can quickly interact with AI directly from a device that's always with you. To make this more concrete, imagine you're a nurse walking between patient rooms. Instead of writing down a blood pressure reading and entering it later, you could simply use the device's camera to capture the information. The AI could understand the reading and help document it all automatically. Microsoft sees devices like this being useful for people who spend much of their day away from a desk, such as healthcare workers, retail employees, and field workers. For example, you could ask questions, record a conversation, capture information using the camera, or quickly access information while you're on the move. Now, when I first saw this AI badge, my first thought was, why not just use a phone? Most of us already have a phone with us all day. Microsoft says a dedicated device can provide faster access to AI without needing to pull out your phone, unlock it, open an app, and then do whatever task you're trying to accomplish. And if you're in healthcare, there's another consideration. Do you really want to use your personal phone to capture patient information? Probably not. The second concept that Microsoft showed me is designed for your desk. It stays in one place and gives you quick access to AI throughout the day. The device includes a touchscreen, microphones, speakers, and facial recognition for secure sign-in. Microsoft says you could use it to review your schedule, stay on top of important tasks, access Microsoft 365 Copilot, and get quick answers without constantly switching between apps and windows on your PC. One interesting aspect of the device is that it can also work alongside a traditional computer. Microsoft says it can connect to Windows 365, so if you connect it to a monitor, you could run Windows on it through the cloud. Microsoft has been testing these devices internally with employees. One piece of feedback that stood out to me is that some people liked having AI available on a dedicated device instead of needing to open another application or browser tab every time they wanted to interact with AI. At a high level, you could think of this as Microsoft's vision for what a dedicated AI device could look like on your desk. My biggest takeaway from Project Solera isn't necessarily the devices themselves. It's the platform Microsoft is building behind them. Microsoft believes AI agents will play a much larger role in how people interact with technology in the future. What's interesting is that the company isn't positioning Project Solera as just two devices. It's building a platform that other hardware manufacturers and developers can build on top of, similar to how Windows became the foundation for an entire ecosystem of PCs and applications. Of course, it's still very early. These are concept devices, not products you can go out and buy tomorrow. But after spending time with the team, it really became clear that Microsoft sees Project Solera as much more than a badge and a desk companion. The company is laying the foundation for what it believes could be the next generation of AI-powered devices. So that's a first look at Project Solera. Now, I'm curious what you think. Would you use a dedicated AI device like one of these, or would you rather keep the capabilities on your phone and computer? Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.